All right. Good morning, Idea Montopolis College Prep. This is Mr. Gatto with your morning announcements. Today is a magnificent Monday, October 5th, and today is an A Day. Please join me in today's pledges. Yo prometo lealtad a la bandera de los Estados Unidos de América y a la república que representa una nación bajo Dios, indivisible, con libertad y justicia para todos. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence. All right, thank you. So let's move on to today's birthdays. Happy birthday to the following students. Angel Padilla in 6th grade and America Fierro in 12th grade. We wish y'all a very, very special day filled with love, learning, kindness, all sorts of awesomeness. So have a great day, y'all. All right, happy birthday. All right, on to our Hispanic Heritage Highlight of the Month. And our Hispanic Heritage Highlight of the Month for today is Jose M. Hernandez, a former astronaut and a former engineer. Mr. Hernandez is a Mexican American whose family's roots are in northern Mexico. And we're going to learn a little bit more about Mr. Hernandez. All right, so Mr. Hernandez was a former astronaut and engineer. He served aboard the space shuttle, serving a 13-day mission known as STS-128 in 2009. His education is heavy in the sciences. He has a background in electrical engineering, earning his bachelor's from the University of the Pacific there with that electrical engineering degree, and his master's of science in electrical and computer engineering from University of California, Santa Barbara. Now, the really awesome thing about Mr. Hernandez, other than his background, he grew up as a migrant farm worker, working up and down the fields of California with his family, again, whose origins are in northern Mexico. But aside from his background, his tenacity and his ability to stick with it, he was turned down for astronaut training 11 times over 3 years before finally being admitted to the training program. So again, if you fell once, don't give up. Just keep trying and trying and trying, because if you have your mind and your heart set on something, you can eventually get there, like Mr. Hernandez did. So again, his story is really special. I encourage everybody to look it up because it's one that's very inspiring, one that shows tenacity and grit and the power of education. So with that, Mr. Hernandez is our Latino spotlight for the day. All right, moving on. Meals update. Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30. Again, we can pause the screen here if we need to take a look. Same thing with bus routes, Ms. Reed being our contact there. Our routes in and around the city. Again, pause if need be. Our schedule for 6th and 7th grade. Our schedule for 8th grade. Our high school schedule. Again, pause if we need to. Grades for quarter one. Don't forget, your grades count this quarter. Grades are due by October 7th. In high school, your grades count towards your GPA for college applications. This is a huge deal. So here's what you can do if you're failing or you have grades that are below your potential. Again, if you're failing, these are grades that are definitely below your potential. So please reach out to us, reach out to your teachers. We want to help you. There's no such thing as a dumb question, especially when you want to be successful and your teachers know you want to be successful. We know you want to be successful. So like I've been saying, please advocate for yourself. You have to advocate for yourself. Reach out to your teachers. You will not get in trouble for doing so, okay? It's a survival skill. You're going to need this in college, especially there. So please reach out to your teachers. Advocate for yourselves. We know you want to be successful. We want to help you get there. Reach out to us. Attendance, again, please be here. You can't get credit for your classes if you miss too many days. This is Texas law. There is the law quoted there. You can't miss more than 18 days of school. You have to be present for 90% of the time. ACT October 6th, that is tomorrow. 11th and 12th graders in person only. Pause if we need to take a closer look at that. Montopolis High School esports team. Again, take a closer look at that if need be. There is a virtual information session today. There's your contact person there, Mr. Ruiz. All right. Students on campus, some reminders, y'all. Again, masks have to be worn at all times. This includes recess, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. Please maintain 6 feet of social distancing at all times. Please remember to grab a pass to the restroom. And remember, this is new to everybody. This is new to y'all. This is new to your teachers. This is new for your parents. This is new for your administrators. This is new for everybody. Just remember that safety is the most important thing. And when we ask you to do something, that is the driving priority behind that. All right, so dismissal. Let's pause if we need to right there. All right. Proper mask use. Again, top row is what we want to be seeing, especially covering our nose. Bottom row is what we don't want to see. Our nose has to be covered. Again, our nose has to be covered. All right, if you have questions, please text us at the number there. Follow us on Facebook. And again, we do have a YouTube channel in case you miss announcements or you want to share this with your family. All right, so Bulldogs are determined, optimistic, generous, and strong. And remember, everybody, if no one tells you this today, remember that we love you, we believe in you, and we always will. Please advocate for yourself. Grades are due very, very soon. They're right around the corner. We want to help you. It is not too late. We want to help you. We know you want to be successful. All right, with that said, it's time for Move This World. Have a great day, everyone.